how to make a collage on your Instagram story. So there's two ways to do this. Go to Instagram and swipe left. Go ahead and swipe left and go ahead and hit where it says layout. And you can just go ahead and just take a bunch of photos and just make a very standard kind of layout here. But if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and choose photos that are in your phone, and then you can do it that way as well. But to do it another way, we'll X out of here and come out of Instagram. Here, we'll go back in, swipe left again, and go ahead and hit the create button there. And what you can do is go ahead and choose different colors at the bottom right hand corner here. And then what you want to do is hit the sticker at the very top of your screen, and you'll be able to choose photos. So we can just kind of put one here, go back to photo, put another one here, and you can just keep on going on and put them in any arrangement that you want. You can put music and fonts on there, and it's a real easy way to make a very simple collage on your Instagram story.